Work. There we go. About 30 minutes into this stream, we're going to head over to Sandbox. And then after an hour, I'm going to end the stream. I'll be right back. So here's the plan. We're going to be looking at different stuff from Earth. Looking at different stuff from Earth. We have landed on grass. I will do something about the trails in a second. There we go. We have landed on grass. I will do something about the trails in a second. There we go. First and foremost, we gotta make the sun disappear. Venus and Mercury. No, that's Jupiter. Okay. We're gonna go for Jupiter first. Just pretend this is the Hubble, I guess. I don't know.
We're gonna go for Jupiter first. Just pretend this is the Hubble, I guess. I don't know.
So this dot is the dot we're after.
This dot is the dot we're after. This dot is the dot we're after.
Hold on, let me make it realistic lighting.
Hold on, let me make it realistic lighting.
There we go. It was already realistic.
Hold on, let me make it realistic lighting. There we go. It was already realistic. Hold on, let me make it realistic lighting. There we go. It was already realistic.
Oh, there's Venus.
Oh, there's Venus.
We'll first do like a normal telescope's POV, and then we'll do a Hubble.
We'll first do like a normal telescope's POV, and then we'll do a Hubble.
So here, this is from 2026, by the way, before you ask.
So here, this is from 2026, by the way, before you ask.
So here is Jupiter in a normal telescope.
So here is Jupiter in a normal telescope.
And here it is from a Hubble perspective.
And here it is from a Hubble perspective.
I can't really make it work, sorry.
I can't really make it work, sorry.
The Hubble perspective is out of the atmosphere, actually, so I should disable the atmosphere.
The Hubble perspective is
What?
out of the atmosphere.
What?
So I should disable the atmosphere.
Wait, what?
What?
That was an aurora? Hold on. What?
Wait, what? That was an aurora? Hold on. What? Wait, what? That was an aurora? Hold on.
So you get free auroras after sunset. Is that what's going on?
So you get free auroras after sunset. Is that what's going on?
Like, look. Oh, now if you think of that, you can kind of see it. Let me just,
Like, look.
I'm not forward in time, actually.
You can kind of see it. Let me just, like,
Mm.
I'm not forward in time, actually.
If you just get rid of the atmosphere, you have aurora borealises.
If you just get rid of the atmosphere, you have aurora borealises.
This is pretty, though.
If you just get rid of the atmosphere, you have aurora borealises. This is pretty, though.
So, sorry, but I'm disabling the aurora borealises.
This is pretty, though. So, sorry, but I'm disabling the aurora borealises. This is pretty, though. So, sorry, but I'm disabling the aurora borealises.
Now, let's use Hubble perspective on Jupiter. Because you've been waiting for that.
Now, let's use Hubble perspective on Jupiter. Because you've been waiting for that.
woodsy, but just, yeah, a bit dimmer. This is what I think, though, so it's not entirely accurate.
This is what I think, though, so it's not entirely accurate.
Let's just watch Jupiter disappear now. As it drifts through the sky. Hold on, what is this?
As it drifts through the sky.
What is this? Let me touch it. Of course, I can't see this one dot. How about this one? I can't see that dot. That's right.
How about this one? I can't see that dot. That's right.
Before it fades away into nothingness, let's just hope that its moon Io appears. And enable Aurora Borealis again. The Aurora Borealis stopped. And there goes Jupiter. Oh wait, the Aurora Borealis are still here. Next, Venus. Here it is with from like a normal telescope's perspective, if I'm correct. Very orange. And I'm gonna zoom into it more, and here it is from the Hubble. Hubble's perspective, if I'm correct. If we activate atmospheres, it will appear much darker. And if we turn off the clouds, look at its surface. There we go. Start up today.
Start up today.
Now let me make time go backward.
Now let me make time go backward.
There we go. Now we have much to analyze of the sky.
There we go. Now we have much to analyze.
I'm gonna just zoom in on random objects, to be honest now.
I'm gonna just zoom in on random objects.
Like, here's Orion's belt.
Like, here's Orion's belt.
And here's the Flame Nebula, the Orion Nebula.
And here's the Flame Nebula, the Orion Nebula.
Alright, there's the horse head.
Here's the Flame Nebula, the Orion Nebula.
Alright, there's the horse head.
Alright, there's the horse head.
Okay, our time for space engine is up. Time for the other one of the
Okay, our time for space engine is up.
universe sandbox.
Universe sandbox.
Trending items. Death.
Trending items. Death. Trending items. Death.
I know it's Impact that killed the dinosaurs, but whatever.
I know it's Impact that killed the dinosaurs, but whatever.
And if you don't know, this will show you how I got my little
And if you
OC.
Know, this will show you how I got my little OC.
If you don't know what OC I'm talking about,
If you don't know what OC I'm talking
it's this OC. Like if you just go to my channel,
If you don't know what OC I'm talking it's this OC.
my page, the channel icon, the green planet is my OC.
The channel icon, the blue, green planet is my OC.
So yeah, I'm gonna finally show you it.
So yeah, I'm gonna finally show you it.
Give it a second, it'll load.
Give it a second, it'll load.
There we go.
There we go.
Here's the solar system with it.
Here's the solar system with it.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the solar system with it.
I didn't add the other moons because it would lag the game.
I didn't add the other moons because it would lag the
Now let's go to the planet Ventrega, my OC.
Now let's go to my OC.
So let me disable orbits.
So let me disable orbits.
Oh yeah, and labels. And here's my OC without any labels or orbits.
And here's my OC without any labels or orbits.
Fun fact though, let's just put Saturn in the system.
Fun fact though, let's just put Saturn in the system.
And if we give Saturn its rings,
and if we give Saturn its rings,
yeah, Ventrega has more rings than Saturn. An inner ring and an outer ring.
Ventrega has more rings than Saturn. An inner ring and an outer ring.
Now with all that out of the way, let's go to the planets. Moons in the system.
Now with all that out of the way, let's go to the planets. Moons in the system.
But before that, let's see Ventrega from Earth.
But before that, let's see Ventrega from Earth. Let's see Ventrega from Earth.
If you had a very good telescope, you can actually see Ventrega.
If you have a very good telescope, you can actually see Ventrega.
Now Ventrega has the third most moons in the whole solar system. Uranus got demoted to fourth in this canon verse.
Uranus got demoted to fourth in this canon verse.
If you click add moons, you just made the world a disaster.
If you click add moons, you just made the world a disaster.
Cause look. I use Uranus. For it. Oh, that's what it is. I'll customize the system soon to add like orbiters of Ventrega and its moons. Now let's go to Catanamide. That is not Catanamide. This is one of the few moons with an actual atmosphere. And liquid water. But sadly, even if you tried your absolute hardest, it has 0% life likelihood. Rest in peace to the life that used to be on this planet. And it's actually bigger than Ganymede. The biggest moon of the solar system. But like Ganymede. And it's about like the same size as Mars. Let me see. Yeah, Catanamide is 5%. Catanamide is a tad bit bigger than Mars. Now let me remove Mars. Another planet I'm going to show is Sebastina, or whatever that name is. Sebastina. Let's just call it Sebastina. So like the other planet that I showed, it has an atmosphere and liquid water. And it even has city lights and vegetation. Yeah, there's vegetation on the planet. And yes, this planet has ice. I mean, moon has ice.
And yes, this planet
It also has clouds. It also has clouds.
It also has clouds. It also has clouds.
And this moon holds at least some life.
And this moon holds at least some life. This moon holds at least some life.
But back to Gas Giant for a second. It has a magnetic field to protect itself, but not some of the outer moons.
A magnetic field to protect itself, but not some of the outer moons. A magnetic field to protect itself, but not some of the outer moons.
And now another planet that looks like Earth. It has atmosphere, clouds, and liquid water.
It has atmosphere, clouds, and liquid water.
I'm gonna reduce the water level by a bit, actually.
I'm gonna reduce the water level by a bit, actually. I'm gonna reduce the water level by a bit, actually.
And just so it is a moon that holds life,
And just so it is a moon that holds life,
I'm going to do all those settings again. How did I decrease the life,
I'm
bro?
going to do all those settings again. How did I decrease the light, bro? Settings again. How did I decrease the light, bro? Settings again. How did I decrease the light, bro? Settings again. How did I decrease the light, bro? Settings again. How did I decrease the light, bro?
And back on this moon, Sebastina.
And back on this moon, Sebastina.
If you think I just did the settings to add the city lights,
If you think I just did the settings to add the city lights,
it says if habitable. If I do always,
it says if habitable. If I do always,
some of them are gone. It's very faint now, though.
some of them are gone. It's very faint now, though. Some of them are gone. It's very faint now, though. It's very faint now, though.
And before we do something else, these outer moons I want to talk about.
And before we do something else, these outer moons I want to talk about.
First, left ammonium. This one has water in these little pits.
This one has water in these little pits.
Let me get a flashlight so I can show them all.
Let me get a flashlight so I can show them all.
Some of these have names, like this one's called the water snowman.
Like this one's called the water snowman.
And this one is called the big lake.
And this one is called the big lake. And this one is called the big lake. And this one
Anyways, yeah. 2 round moons and then we can do some other stuff. First, Tregan has this little lake. Well, it's not a lake. It's actually just red marking. These 3 moons orbiting it? Yes, it has moons orbiting it. A moon orbiting a planet having a moon that orbits a moon that orbits a moon, or something like that. That's how they say it, I think. But the most important of these ones is Talamendid. As it is almost half the size of Tregan. But enough about that. Before we continue, this moon right here, Clantania, has a moon orbiting it named Claudius. And here's the design before you ask what it is. And it orbits super close to its moon or planet, whatever. It orbits so close that this is like real time. Look how fast it's moving. Let me find out how many, its orbital period is just 11 hours. Oh yeah, and Clantania has like a little split between worlds. One's a cold world, one's a hot world. Just so you know, I'm not lying. Look, this is a chart. This blue side is these blue areas, and this middle side is this big side. That was a misclick. Oop. I did not mean to turn off orbits. I am paying attention to the comments now, by the way, just so I respond to you. And this last moon, that sounds incredibly similar to Enceladus. Its name is Enceladus. And if we get the moon Enceladus, let me find it. It's smaller than Enceladus, but can fit. And yes, it's not an asteroid like Deimos. Before I end the stream here, I'm gonna do stuff with my planet OC and the moons.
I'm gonna do stuff with my.
And then just throw some stars into the solar system. So montage time, I guess. Okay, it's time to throw things through the solar system. Let me just get the solar system.
Okay, it's time to throw things through the solar system. Let me just get the solar system.
The first star we will do is our neighboring Proxima Centauri. Senna's already escaping. sun has encountered the Proxima Centauri.
The sun has encountered the Proxima Centauri.
And the Proxima Centauri just zoomed by.
And the Proxima Centauri just zoomed by.
Hold on. Oh, it obliterated us. Oh, we're dead. Us along with Mars got obliterated. Proxima round 2. Now round number 3. Head first.
Now round number 3. Head first.
Get out! Get out! Oh wait, Earth and Mars survived. Where were they, bro? Anyways, we have 10 minutes left. So let's get on to the next star, shall we? And we're gonna throw this next star head first right at the sun. The star will be Capella. Capella's going head first to the sun. Oh, they missed each other. Mercury and Venus got a bit hot, though. And by that, I mean they're burning. Capella ruined the whole solar system. Earth is going on a free course to death. Jupiter and Neptune are running away. Mercury is heading towards death itself. Capella kidnapped Saturn and maybe Mars. No. Oh, it kidnapped Venus. And it kidnapped Venus, Ceres, Saturn, Hygiena, and some asteroids. The sun successfully, though, got to keep Mars and Pluto. I'm gonna end stream right here. Bye-bye now.